Bonjour à tous et bienvenue. Hello and welcome everybody. Today we will learn how to ask and tell the time in French. So we will use the phrases like il est plus number, right? And heure. Il est number and the word heure. But before that, something really important for all of you who are learning with us. Numbers can be super tricky in French, so you have to work on it as soon as you can. Okay, that's why I really want you to go to our Telegram channel. You have the link in the description of every single video because on this Telegram channel, you will find videos to help you understand and master the different numbers in French. The sooner the better, right? Okay, we start. Let's go on attack. C'est parti. We will start, like always, we will start with a very short, little, and easy dialogue to start our journey to ask and tell the time in French. Okay, allez, c'est parti. Okay, now let's see the small dialogue here. Excusez-moi or excuse-moi. Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? Answer. Il est, the number, okay. Il est 8 heures. Il est 8 heures. Merci beaucoup. De rien. Now, I'm not providing you the translation. I hope all these sentences are clear. But yes, of course, I'll provide you some key phrases. Okay. Je répète, I'm just repeating one more time here. Excuse-moi, quelle heure est-il? Il est 8 heures. Merci beaucoup. De rien. Right. Now, here we have some key phrases. We can use them in our conversation to tell or to ask the timings, right? First is quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? To answer, we can say il est. And as I have told you, we can use the number with it, okay? Il est. Here I am using, it is 1 o'clock or it is 1 p.m. So I'm using number 1. Il est une heure. Il est une heure. To precisely say like off afternoon or off evening, we have two words. To say afternoon, you can add de l'après-midi, and to say evening, okay, we can use the word du soir. The meaning of both is PM, right? Il est une heure de l'après-midi. It is 1 p.m. And if I want to say like it is 5 p.m., so then I can use il est 5 heures du soir. It is 5 p.m. evening, right? Second, il est 2 heures du matin. Du matin. So for morning, like for AM, we have only one word, which is du matin. Il est 2 heures du matin. It is 2 o'clock of the noon. Third is il est midi and il est minuit. Midi is for noon, for afternoon, and minuit for midnight. Il est midi and il est minuit. It is noon or it is midnight. Now, if you want to tell any time where we have past, okay, past 15, okay, like quarter past, right? So for that we have a car. For example, the time is a quarter past 4. So we will use il est 4 heures et quart. So a car we will use for quarter past. Next is quarter to, okay, less 15 minutes in that time. So, il est 7 heures moins le quart. Il est 7 heures moins le quart. That means the time is 6:45, okay, 15 minutes or quarter to 7. So first we will take the number, the time which is going to be, right? And then we will say less 15, which is moins le quart. For example, il est 7 heures moins le quart. It is quarter to 7, right? Okay. Right here we have some questions which we can ask to ask the time, to tell the time, and how to question and how to reply for that. Okay, so first very common question is quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? To answer, we can say il est, then you can add the number. For example, if it is 13 hours, okay, we can say il est 13 heures. Il est 13 heures. In that case, we need not to precisely say uh, PM, right? Because 13, that means it is obvious that it's 1 o'clock PM, 1 p.m., right? But in case if you are using the number 1, 2, etc., in that case you can use two words for PM, de l'après-midi. Okay, so till 4 5 evening we can go with the word de l'après-midi to say PM. After that we can use du soir. Okay, so we have two ways, either with the simple numbers, we can precisely say de l'après-midi ou du soir, or we can go according to the 24-hour clock as well, right? 13 hours, 14 hours, 15 hours, that way. Next question. Il est quelle heure? What time is it? Okay, il est 14 heures. Il est 14 heures. So it is 14 hours. That means it's very obvious the time is 2 p.m., right? Third question. Tu as l'heure? Tu as l'heure? Do you have time? Oui, il est 8 heures. It is 8 o'clock. Now, if you want to say 8 morning, you can say il est 8 heures du matin. If it is 8 p.m., you can say il est 8 heures du soir. Okay, AM and PM. Voila, I hope you have understood till here. Still, if you have any question, you can write your questions in the comment box, right? Okay, now we have three questions for the live exercise. First sentence, what time is it? You have to fill in the blank. What time is it? Okay, so blank, est-il. Second time, you have to see it is uh, quarter past 12. Okay, noon, 12:15, noon, 12:15 p.m. Third is 11:45. Okay, so it is quarter to 12 p.m. Okay, guys, now I hope you have well understood the timings, how we can tell, how we can talk about the time in French, right? Still, if you have any doubt, because the numbers are a bit tricky, as like earlier I said you, okay? So if you have any doubt, any question, you can well write your queries in the comment box. I'll answer them. No worries. Next lesson, we will learn how to talk about your daily routine, what time you wake up, what do you do in the morning, etc. Okay, during your day. Remember, everybody, don't forget to download all the PDF of grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Join our Telegram group when you will find lots of where you will find lots of extra content, the PDF, but also a fantastic community where you can exchange in French and improve your skills. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and come back for next lesson. Everybody, excellent. Merci beaucoup. Bonjour.